everyone, it's Miss Healed. We're going to start with a warm-up today like we do in every PE lesson. So to begin with, I just want you to be jogging on the spot. You might need the help of an adult to call out the actions for you in this warm-up. Okay, so to begin with, the first one is punches side to side. So punching side to side, we're going to do each one for 10 seconds. The next one, keep jogging on the spot, is punching high up into the sky, okay? So 10 seconds again, up into the sky. The third one is punching down, okay? So punching down to the floor for 10 seconds. And the final one is nice arm circles, nice and controlled, to get your arms warmed up, ready for our lesson. Off you go. Okay, it's day 4 of gymnastics. We're going to start with a game called the word game. It's all about using your body, thinking about the key shapes, the jumps and the balances we've practiced already, and forming letters using your body. Okay, so for example, if we were going to do the word tall, how could we use our body in those shapes and those jumps to create those letters? Okay, I'm going to start off in an arabesque for a capital T. Okay, so my arms would be the side of the T, in that arabesque position. For my A, I'm going to go down into a tuck shape. And for the 2 L's, I'm going to have a straight and a straight jump. See if you can make some different words using your body and using different shapes, balances, or jumps that you've practiced already. Okay, today we're going to be working on some rolls. So firstly, I'm going to demonstrate and talk through the pencil roll. In the pencil roll, you're using the 2 key shapes of the arch and the dish, and you're just rotating, going through each shape as you move over into the roll. Okay, so we're going to begin in the arch, so on your stomach. Remember to point your toes, keep that head up off the floor, and lift your feet and your arms off the floor. Rolling over into the dish shape, so hands in front, back into the arch, and into the dish again. Okay, the next roll is the tuck roll. Okay, so remembering that tuck shape technique, one of our key shapes, and you're wanting to do this movement quite quickly, so when you roll back you get the force for your body weight to get back up when you're standing up at the end. Okay, so start in our smart position, down into the tuck, rolling back and up, and standing straight back into that end position. Okay, the next roll is the shoulder roll. So we're going to be starting like we do in the tuck, going down, and then you need to lay back, use your hands to support your back and pointing your toes up to the sky for around 4 seconds. And then we come back down and back up to finish. Okay, and the next one is a straddle roll. You might also call this the teddy bear roll. Okay, so you want to start in our straddle position. Use your hands to support your legs underneath, so to stop them bending because you want them to be straight. And then you're going to fall back onto your shoulder and roll round. I'll just show you. Like this, rolling round, keep going. round, keeping those legs straight in that straddle position. Off you go. Okay, we are going to be playing a game now called Travelling. We're going to explore different ways that you can travel using different elements of gymnastics. Okay, so our first part of the game is, can you travel using different body parts? Okay, so I'm going to give you some examples and I want you to have a go at home, seeing how you can use your different body parts on this one. Okay, so I'm going to start using my hands and my feet in the crab position there. So that's using all the different body parts to move along. And then I'm going to use my stomach in the arch position, and then on my way back in the dish position. I'm moving, using different body parts in that position. Okay. The next one I want you to have a go at is travelling in different directions. Okay, so I'm going to make a zigzag technique using one of our elements of gymnastics. Okay, I want you to have a go, come up with your own, but this is one that I'm going to use. Okay. Okay, we're going to finish with our routine again. Today we're now adding in those roles and ways of travelling that we've been practicing. Okay, so I'll speak you through my routine again, and then I want you to have a go at creating your own. So I'm going to start in the straight, into a star jump, down into a tuck, okay, and then we're going to do a tuck roll. So I'm just going to start up again for this one. And then I'm going to move on to a crab. So down into my crab position, to a crab walk, into a straddle, up into an arabesque, tuck jump, and finishing in a nice star. Off you go. We're going to finish off now with a cool down. We're going to be doing a dynamic cool down today, and we're going to start off with high knees. Okay, so make sure you're back straight and you're trying to bring your knees up to your hands. Have them out, back straight, bring those knees up to your chest for high knees. we're going to be doing each one for 20 seconds. Okay, the next one is heel flicks. Okay, so put your hands behind your back. Can you flick your heels up? Again, we're doing this one for 20 seconds. Okay, the next one is a calf stretch. So you're keeping that back leg straight and bending your front leg. And you feel it in your calf at the back. 20 seconds on one leg and then swap over onto another. Back leg nice and straight on that one. And the final one is a high step. Okay, so you're reaching up to swing that knee up to your chest in front, 20 seconds on one leg, and then swap over for the other leg for 20 seconds. Okay, remember it's that high step, bringing that knees up to your chest. And then we're finished. Well done, everybody.